Okay, we're back. We have another trade here. We had another successful trade today. This was on the second here, and as you see, we went into a strong buy a put territory, and so, we missed this move here because what we're trying to do is get in after all of the extra from the market. So, waiting about the first 15 minutes to the first 30 minutes. So, around 10, we got in, which you can see here. We had a rejection, initial rejection of the 20 happened at about 9:54, but we were kind of waiting to kind of see because there was a lot of consolidation going on here, so we were being very careful. And so I got in right here, and then as you see, we're already below the 200. So the probability of it going into a um, this being a successful short was higher. So getting in right here, as you can see, we dropped on down and it continued to drop. So we had profit target hit again. So we got out right after our profit target hit. But as you can see, following the trend once again could have yielded an even bigger run. Like when we do our runners, this is something that I'm looking at with doing the runners in the future. But we see we had a breakout here, and see immediately we would have moved here with the runner, let the other contract hit, which hit about here. Let's see, that was here, that's 69. It hit about here, give or take, or up in here, and then the runner moving down to about this level here. And as you see, it didn't break back through that point. It continued to drop more. So what I do when I'm trading the trend is if there's a break outside of the 20 on the 2 minute, I move my stop loss down aggressively because I want to make sure I retain what I've you know whatever profit I've had, because the trend could be reversing. We're this close to the 200. Could be going back up to test it. But as you see, there was a break here. Retested the 20, not the 200, but it was so strong, it just retested that 20 and continued to keep going down. So moving the stop loss here, coming on down. It didn't break again into here. So let's just say we moved on down with the move. Still following the profit move here. Once it broke down here and came back up and closed here, moving down, if we were able to get here, we would have gotten stopped out, give or take, around about this area, which you can see we took profit somewhere about here. We had an initial runner. I'm sorry, the runner that we added would have went out even later. So the 20 EMAs, that's a very strong confluence when it comes to following profit and trying to follow the trend to catch as much profit as possible. And that's typically what I do. But in the case of, previous weeks, all over the place, lack of discipline, revenge trading. We kind of drew down pretty bad on the small account challenge, but we are coming back up because of what we're practicing now. So when we start splitting positions, it will be one position goes out at a fixed target, and then the other position just kind of see how far we can get into a trend. But as you see, we got a here area and then this area here before you even get wicked out here, before it actually comes up and takes you out. So that's pretty much what happened on this particular day.